Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Audios off, please. Lot of disturbances coming from the back.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Madhav, after a long time I.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Put your audios off, children. After wishing me, please put your audios off. Otherwise, it will create disturbance in the class. Manthan, Sifat, Rachit. Hurry up, hurry up. Arna. Deepika again is missing the classes. Deepika is again missing the classes. Kashvi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. So I can see 23 children right now. Today we have to start a new topic, division of fractions. Division of fractions.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. Children, please put your audios off yourself, otherwise I'll put. Because the class cannot continue that way. Without putting you off, class cannot continue. My voice echoes, you are not able to hear me properly. I can see 25 children. I think I should start the class. 3 minutes have passed. Bunch is entering now. 26. You must have noticed in the last class, ma'am was also there and she also praised a lot about the class. Abir is not here. Anish is here. Basim is not here. Chirag is not here. He normally comes late. Deepika is not here. Dharansh is not here. Imnish is not here. Manas Chavla is not here. Nehal is not here. Nikunj is not here. Nikmita is not here. Ria is not here. Safira is not here. Others are here. Nehal is joining. Put your audios off, children. Put your audios off, please. I can see 28 children. I spent a good time to just take attendance only, so that I can see that who all is there. Today I told you, as I told you, we will be doing division of integers.
Fractions. Ma'am, division of fractions.
Division of fractions. I think I should start. Nikunj has also joined. I don't know whether he's learning or not, but at least if he's joining, he'll learn something. First of all, children, before starting question on the board, I'll explain you. I'll show you one small PPT which will also help you to understand. This is something new we have not done earlier. Yes, don't write chat to me. Good morning, Ronak. Right now, I cannot read the chat when I am focusing on the class. I can't focus on 2-3 things together. So I am sharing the screen. I think all of you are prepared. Am I audible to all? You can show it by thumb. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Now I am showing you one small PPT which will help you to understand division better. Let's start. Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Himnish is
ma'am.
answering. Himnish. बच्चा टाइम पे आओ सब लोग नहीं तो
Ma'am, we are able to see, but it is not clearly coming.
बेटा ये because of your network issue याशी आपके थोड़ा network issue रहता है बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
I speak.
Ma'am?
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, so can I switch off my video? Then might be I will be some.
Might
It will
be
look.
help. You can try out. You can try out.
Yes, ma'am. Now I am able to see.
Okay, now one more thing, children. Please put your audios off so that it is where right now you just have to listen to me. I'll ask the queries afterwards. Just listen to me. English has joined. English joined late. Manas is also joining late. Now, topic everybody knows. I have told you dividing fractions and mixed numbers. It may be whole number with fraction or fraction with whole number. Means divisor can be whole number also. Divisor can be fraction also. Dividend can be fraction also. Dividend can be whole number also. And let's see how do we have to go for it and what does it mean. Meaning is also important. First and foremost, you have to look for a new term that is called reciprocal. What do you mean by reciprocal? Reciprocal means
मैम उल्टा
flipping. Flip भी कह सकते हैं.
फ्लिप करना. डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर, न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर.
Yes, when two fractions are multiplied together and their product is 1. Now you can see here 2 upon 3 when multiplied with 3 upon 2, the answer comes out 1. That's why we call 2 upon 3 reciprocal of 3 upon 2 and 3 upon 2 reciprocal of 2 upon 3. Or we can also call it inverting or we can call it flipping. Now there are 2-3 examples I'm going to ask you for people. What is the reciprocal of 1 upon 2?
Ma'am, 2 upon 1.
1.
Or you can say simply 2. We can say simply 2. Okay, please raise your hand. Don't start speaking together. It will disturb the class. Reciprocal of 1 3 by 4. Reciprocal of 1 3 by 4. 1 3 by 4 means we have to first convert it.
7.
Not like this, Jagnoor. Hanji,
7 by 4.
7 by 4.
No, it's not 7 by 4. Don't just follow the herd. Please
4 by
listen.
7.
First convert it. 1 3 by 4. What is 1 3 by 4, Jagnoor?
4 by 7.
4 by 4. 7 by 4.
7 by 4. Then its reciprocal will be 4 by 7.
4 by 7.
Okay. Reciprocal of
7.
reciprocal of 8. Kashvi. What is reciprocal of 8?
1 by 8.
1 by 8.
1 by 8.
I think I have to mute you people, otherwise I can't take the class. It's very difficult. You people don't listen and it's difficult. I'll ask myself, don't worry. New entrants are there, new people have joined right now. Now, is reciprocal, the concept of reciprocal understood? You can show it by thumb. Concept of reciprocal is understood? Everybody has understood the meaning of reciprocal? Yes. Let's see. Why are we discussing about reciprocal? Now, these are the rules for dividing the fractions. First rule is keep the first fraction the same. Change the division sign to multiplication. Invert the second fraction. We can call it invert or we can call it flip. It's one and the same thing. Then multiply. And last step is simplify if needed. And example is also given. If I have to divide 1 by 4 by 1 by 2, it will become 1 by 4 multiplied with 2 by 1. I'll show you a few more examples, very interesting ones. Again, the algorithm can be learned. Algorithm can be learned this way, children. Keep, change, reciprocal. 3 terms if you remember. Keep, change, reciprocal. First fraction remains the same, that is keep. Division symbol is changed to multiplication, that is change. Last fraction is changed to its reciprocal, that is reciprocal. Then multiply and simplify your answer. Don't forget to reduce if possible. I hope the theory part is understood. Let's see how we will do this. Very interesting. Suppose I have to do this. 3 divided by 1 upon 4. 3 is a whole number and I have to divide this by 1 upon 4. What we do is this is keep. Keep matlab 3 ko as it is rakha. Change. Change means, keep means I kept 3 as it is. Change means this. Change means the division symbol will be changed to multiplication symbol. Then reciprocal. Second number will be reciprocated. Who is joining now? Raisa and Chirag, both latecomers. Raisa and Chirag. Class gets disturbed in between. Raisa. Now, take the reciprocal. So first step was keep, change, reciprocal. Now what will happen when I multiply these 2 numbers? Yes, we get 12. So the multiplication of 3 divided by 1 by 4 is actually 12. Ultimately, the answer is 12. Is there anybody who has any query in this? He or she can ask me. He or she can ask me. If anybody has any query, raise your hand. I'll ask. If anybody has any query, I'll show you a few more examples. Don't worry. Yahavi. Let me see. Where is Yahavi? Yahavi. Yes, Yahavi. Bolo beta.
Excuse me, ma'am, मुझे एक बार समझ नहीं आया. Can you please explain once again?
Yes, you have to think. Keep 3 terms in your mind. Keep मतलब first number को as it is रखना है. Keep. Then change.
Okay.
Division जो symbol था हमारा, उसको हमने multiply में change कर दिया. Second term was change. Third term is reciprocal or flip. हमने जो second number था, divisor था, उसको flip कर दिया. और multiply करके जो भी answer आया, that is our division process is finished. I'll show you a few more examples. It will be more clear then. Raisa and Chirag, you have joined late. Are you able to understand it? Are you able to understand? You don't need to write anything right now. Just understand. Where is Raisa? Raisa.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Raisa was here. Raisa, you joined late.
Ma'am, I'm able to understand.
I'll show you a few more examples. It will be more clear then.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, dividing. Chirag is again coming. Dividing. 2 more children are there. The Haranch also joined late. Chirag is also having some network issues. Chirag always have. Now, suppose.
Ma'am, can I mute myself?
You please mute. Hanji, suppose one more example. half divided by 1 by 4. Chirag, not in school uniform, beta. Half divided by 1 by 4. Again, the same thing. Keep means half will be kept as it is. Change means division will change to multiplication. Flip means 1 upon 4 will become 4 upon 1. Let's see what will happen. Yes, 1 upon 2 multiplied with 4 upon 1, and we have to simplify, and we get 2 upon 1, and the answer comes out 2. Don't worry, we'll do many sums also on the board. This is just to make you understand, because you're doing it first time. Rachit, bolo. Rachit.
Ma'am, we have already done this in the 5th class.
Okay, I did not teach you in class 6. That's why I thought, let me recapitulate.
Aarti ma'am.
Okay, very good. So you remember, then it's very good. One more example. I have taken. Okay, I understood. Now, one more example. I have taken different types of examples. Let's see. Again, both are fractions. You can keep first fraction as it is, change division to multiplication, and flip to 9 upon 2. Flip 2 upon 9 to 9 upon 2. When you multiply numerator with numerator, you got 27. When you multiply denominator with denominator, you got 8. Because nothing was cancelling at this stage. So then we convert, because it was improper fraction, we have to convert in mixed fraction, and the answer will come out 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Okay, children? You can show it by thumb if you've understood, if you're understanding. Shivam is raising his hand. Let me see where is Shivam. Yes, Shivam. Yes, you're saying you have understood. Shivam, what settings you have done at your system? Please do not change settings on your own, please. Now, let's see one or two more examples. Suppose I have tried to take different type of example, children. First was whole number divided by fraction. Second was both fractions. Now a mixed fraction divided by an improper fraction. Let's see. First of all, convert. Here we have to convert it into improper, but it won't change. It is keep. Still it is keep. हमको इसको कन्वर्ट करने के बाद उसमें कुछ चेंज नहीं करना. चेंज करना है डिवीजन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, और फ्लिप करना है 2 by 8 को 8 by 2 में. ये याद रखना है बस. कीप चेंज फ्लिप, कीप चेंज फ्लिप. Then when we multiply, we get 7 by 3 multiplied with 8 upon 2, we get 56 upon 6. Then because it is improper fraction, we are going to convert it into mixed fraction. Kashvi. Hanji. Kashvi, where is Kashvi? Hanji, Kashvi, bolo beta.
Ma'am, why didn't we cut 8 and 2?
Hanji, repeat beta.
मैम हमने 8 और 2 को कट क्यों नहीं किया?
हाँ कर सकते थे. We would have cut also. Good question. We would have cut also. 8 and 2 can be cancelled also. We would have directly got 7 4s are 28 upon 3, and we would have then converted it into 9 1 upon 3. Both are correct. Okay, both ways are correct. Then the answer for division is actually 9 1 by 3. Just 3 more examples you can see on your screens. 4 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 4. Keep, change, flip. 16 upon 21. Meaning भी यहाँ से भी देखो बेटा. This is 4 upon, they are saying goes into almost 3 by 4 times. 16 upon 20 would be 3 upon 4. Then 7 upon 8 divided by 5 upon 12. It means keep 7 upon 8 as it is, change division to multiplication, and then flip the second fraction to 12 upon 5. You'll get 84 upon 40, and we get ultimately, when we cut it, simplify it. Here also, as Kashvi said, we would have cancelled here. I showed you some questions. Ultimately, the answer would have come to 1 by 10. Next is, if a whole number is divided by a fraction. Anish has raised his hand. Anish. Let me see, where is Anish? Hanji Anish, bolo.
मैम फर्स्ट वाला एग्जांपल समझ नहीं आया.
फर्स्ट वाला एग्जांपल 4 upon 7 एज इट इज रखा कि मतलब उसको एज इट इज रखना है. चेंज मतलब डिवीजन को मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज कर दिया, और फ्लिप का मतलब 4 upon 3 कर दिया. मल्टीप्लाई किया तो आया 16 upon 21. ठीक है.
ओके मैम. ओके.
नेक्स्ट इज टू, लास्ट वाला आई वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग यू टू रिमेन सेम की चेंज डिवीजन टू मल्टीप्लिकेशन and then fraction to flip the fraction, second fraction, we get 10 upon 7, and ultimately the answer is 13 upon 7. This was the method just to make you understand, or just to make you learn forever. Keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. To understand these three terms, you will not make mistake. You can write down in your copies. Dividing fractions, division of fractions, उसके नीचे लिख लो keep, change, flip. You remember it forever. I'll take out the work exercise and we'll start with exercise, because I am also like you people. I am not carrying my books, still I teach with online book to you people. I did not carry all the books on the last day, so I am teaching you with my online book only. PDF. So if my children have understood the meaning of division, can we start the questions? Beta Rachit has asked something. Is asking something. Rachit. I'll place my board. Rachit, हाँ जी बोलो बेटा.
Mama, I have the book.
That's good. That's good. I have 6th and 8th book. And 8th की 2 copies, 6th की 2 copies. I don't have 6th, 7th.
7th की book ही नहीं है.
But I am able to manage very easily because I have got the PDF form. I'm teaching you. Yet
Yes,
you never
ma'am.
came to know because I'm
Yes,
teaching
ma'am.
you fine. I don't have any problem. Anji, Ansh, bolo.
मैम
Ansh,
आई आल्सो हैव द.
very good. I know most of you have got. Now let me start with the. I should change the board. I should change my screen and bring board. Okay, beta. I'm bringing the board so that we can do few more questions.
ओके मैम.
Now everybody will start writing. Let me just put the board. Now children, I am adjusting the laptop with the board. I hope all of you are able to see. I hope everybody is able to see. You can show it by thumb that you're able to see. Are you all able to see? Yes, let me start. Shivam, put your hand down and audio also off. I think Shivam, your audio is on. That's why I'm able to see your screen right now. I'm able to see only your screen. Shivam, put your audio off, beta. Let's start. Question says, first question says, find, I think I have to change the view. You all can pin my video. I hope you all know how to pin. Yes. Shivam has done some, and where is Shivam? Shivam, what entries have you done? I'm not able to see my board. Put yourself on mute mode. Shivam, otherwise I'll remove you. Shivam Tiwari. Shivam Tiwari, put yourself on mute mode. But how come only your screen is visible to us? Only your screen is visible to me. Let me do this way only then. Find, first question says 12 divided by 3 upon 4. 12 divided by 3 upon 4. 12 divided by 3 upon 4. 12 divided by, Manthan has raised his hand. I think he's ready with the answer. Anji Manthan. Manthan.
answer is 16 upon 1.
Let me check. Keep. First step was keep. Keep 12 as it is. Second step was change. Change this to division. Third was flip. Keep. Change. Flip. So I'll convert like this. Only in few questions you have to, you need not to write every time. So only in few questions you can write. Okay?
मैम का स्टेप देखो इस तरीके से लिखना है मार्क्स कटेंगे
Marks will not be cut. You can do directly. Only just to make you understand. Just to make you understand. I have done this. Just to make you understand. Now it will be 12 multiply 4 by 3 is 12. We can cut. We can simplify afterwards. The answer is only 16. You can say 1 is not required. 16 is the answer. Anji Akshat बोलो बेटा. अक्षत.
मैंने बोला था कि वो 16 आंसर है.
ठीक है बेटा. Very good. Now let's do few more parts. Now again. First part is whole number dividing. We are dividing whole number by a fraction. Whole number by a fraction. Now, keep 8 as it is. Division to multiplication. Change division to multiplication. And flip 7 upon 3 to 3 upon 7. 8 3s are 24 upon 7. If you get confused, you can put 1 here. Okay. Now, tell me the answer in mixed form. Somebody will tell me the answer in mixed form. Anish, bolo.
Ma'am, 3 by 7.
3 by 7. Very good. So division is also understood by my children. One more part I want you to do. Children, do it faster so that I can do one more part. I will do one more part. Can I do one more part? I'll do fifth part.
Yes, ma'am.
Three divided by 2, 1/3. Here, this will remain as it is. This will change, and we have to convert in mixed fraction, because without without improper fraction, we cannot solve it. 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7/3. Children, please do not make mistakes in the basic things. Now we get 7 as the answer. We get 7 as the answer. We get 7 as the answer. Done? हाँ जी, सब है problems? हाँ जी बोलेंगे. Let me see. चिराग, हाँ जी बेटा. चिराग, any query beta? Vansh has entered to the waiting room for his meeting. Vansh, you want to say something? Aryan, you wanted to say something? Vansh?
Yes, ma'am. The answer.
Follow?
And the answer is 1 2/7.
Where? Here? I have solved.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? 3 divided by 3 to the 6 plus 7, 7 upon. Okay. Fine. The answer is, he is saying, I forgot to. You can, in this type of question, what you can do is, what you first convert, then change, then do the changing part. 3 into 3/7, that is 9/7. Very good. 7 on the 7, 2. 1 2/7. 1 2/7. Tavleen, हाँ जी बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, actually, I was also having the same query. I was just saying that, ma'am, 3 should come in the numerator.
Fine. Because first step, whenever you come across this kind of question, first convert, then apply, keep, change, flip. Okay. Chirag also wanted to say the same thing. Yes, very good. I hope first question will be done by you people easily. Second, you can easily do. I'll tell you what is there in second. In second question, you have to first reciprocal the term, find the reciprocal, then you have to tell whether it is proper, improper, or whole. Very easy. I'll tell you one part. Like first part is reciprocal, you have to find only reciprocal. They just wanted to make you practice of reciprocal. Reciprocal of 3/7 is 7/3. But write the whole statement. Do not write 3/7 is equal to 7/3. I'll cut that. You have to write reciprocal of 3/7 is 7/3. Now you have to tell whether this is whole number or improper fraction or proper fraction. We'll write 7/3 is improper fraction. Improper fraction. I hope nobody has any query in this question number 2 also. Nobody has any query in question number 2 also.
No, ma'am.
Very good. So you will be completing question number 1 and 2. I wanted to do few parts of 3 and 4 also, but I think we are left with, still we have 4 minutes. I can do one part of question number 3 and one part of question number 4, so that you all can practice very well. I am also going to conduct either this week last or next week in the Monday only. I just tell you to take the test. I want to take the test. Can I erase it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Disconnected. Hanji, very good. This is, let me do one part of 3 and 4 so that my children are able to solve. Third question. And let me just select the most difficult one. I have selected fifth part. 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. Here also first convert this into mixed fraction. This is not conversion, this is only equivalent. 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1, 7. This step you have to do as it is. Then keep matlab isko as it is. Change, keep, change and flip. 4 upon 1. 2 ones are 2 twos are, we get 14 is the answer. I hope nobody has any problem. In case you have, Tavleen, put your hand down, beta, if you don't have any problem. Tavleen, has any query, beta? Kashmi, any query, beta?
Ma'am, it would be 1 by 4.
It could be 1 by 4 because you are entering again and again, I get disturbed. Very good. Should be 1 by 4. So we should get 7 upon 8. 7 upon 8. Nothing will be cancelled here. Chirag, you have some issues, network issues at your home now. Again and again you get disconnected. And Shivam has also done some, I don't know what he has done, but he has done some options. I am not able to see my board on my speaker view. I want to see my board in my speaker view. I am not able to see. Now, one more part I want to do, question number 4. How much time is left? 1 minute. I don't know whether I'll do 1 minute. You can try out. If you're not, I'll help you in question number 4. Next time, I'll help you in question number 4 in case anybody has any query. But I hope most of you would be able to do. Let me just talk to you. Yes, children. Anybody in the class has any query in division?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Everybody has a division?
No, ma'am.
Division आगे बच्चे समझ? So only this was the last.
Ma'am, I'm not able to hear you.
Okay, I put all of you. I muted you. Please do unmute. Unmute is required. Are you Manthan bolo? Manthan.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, I want to in the earlier question. So just I have raised my hand.